Okay, just testing, making sure the sounds good. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Monday, December 22nd, 2025. Um, at 9:19 a.m. Mountain Time, we started out the day pretty strong. Nasdaq is up 0.6%. Dow is up 0.39. S&P is up 0.46. Volume is gonna start to get lighter as we enter the holiday season. So minus 17% on Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange. Let's quickly take a look at the index itself. We'll go with QQQ, Nasdaq ETF here. Um, we are continuing the bounce. So this is the third day of bounce. We are looking good right now. We are above all the short-term moving average, although not by much, right? So we still can be rejected, as we have this longer-term downtrend line here. So we'll wait to see if it does come back up, whether it can pull through or whether we're gonna come back down. But right now, at least at this moment, it's looking good. Let's just quickly look at the 5-minute chart. So we did come down from the high this morning, but right now we are bouncing back. So we closed a little bit of the gap. But now we have been bouncing and finding support here, and yeah, we're looking pretty good right now actually. So that's good. Let's go to SPY. This one looks even better. We're already making new intraday high. So let's go to the daily chart. So we have actually a nicer gap up here, and we're able to hold the gap up better here on S&P than Nasdaq. And yeah, again, if you draw a upper channel line here, we're getting closer to that upper channel line. So most likely we're gonna test the upper channel line in coming days. So we'll see. Here's Dow also bouncing. So this one also looked pretty good, and yeah, holding up the gap this morning so far. You can see right here, really nice support there, and we've been bouncing to new intraday high so far. On IWM Russell 2000, this one looks even better. It didn't even come down much at all. It just gap up and keep going higher. So this looks even better on the daily chart. So yeah, it looks really good. So this, Dow and Russell looks like they're catching their breath and moving along again, picking up momentum. So that's good news as well. Going to stocks in the move, we do have over 20 stocks with high volume in the growth area, so that's good sign. Even though some of the stocks probably went up and came back down this morning, and hopefully they bounce back, and we want to see them close at the highs today. That would be the best. So we have HNRG, Energy, AWI, Armstrong. Let's take a look at AWI here. Let me just close some of my applications here so to save some. Okay. All right. So where we at here? AWI. So we did try to come above the 50-day this morning, but it kind of pulling back a little bit. Not too bad. It's trying to come out, but again, it just lack the power to decisively break that line. So we'll have to continue to watch this, but it has fallen back. So, but it's still a pretty strong uptrend. So we'll see if we can find support here. That'll be a good breakout. Okay, so we'll continue with the list here. Let me just jump to the industrial side. AWM, we have Coherent, ESLT. Okay, so let's look at it as a group. Here's Coherent bouncing pretty strong again, pulling back from this morning high, but it still look pretty good. So we'll see if this will can hold the day today. ESLT. This one's making new high this morning. Nice breakout from almost a week ago, and now it's continued to make new highs. So that looks pretty good. A little bit slow to load this morning. MYRG is trying to bounce back. It's been more choppier than you can see. I did a lot of trades on this, just not making much headway. Right now, it's trying to come back out again. So we'll see if that can work. RBC. This is RBC bearings in the metal processing area. This one is trying to make a move this morning. Looking pretty good at this moment. That looks good. All right, let me keep going down. Dave, we have Micron Technology. So Micron has been doing well since it reported in their earnings, and we see this bounce right here, and it's been falling through so far and making new highs now. So that looks a little bit. It's been pulling back from the high this morning, but still look pretty good. Let me see what other tech stocks show up this morning. We have A Lab here, Astera Labs. This one is breaking through a strong resistance downtrend line here, the 50-day, making pretty much almost new recent high. So that looks really good right now, holding up also um, from the intraday high as well, not too far from it. Let's look at what else show up here. We have Palantir. Here's Palantir. This is a nice cut with handle base right there. Breaking through last Friday. Today it followed through. It has pulled back to the lows right now, so we'll have to wait and see if it can hold this level. So far the bounce is very weak, right? So we could go lower. So we want to wait and see. Nvidia is bouncing this morning. It's still kind of under this red line here, which been the 50-day. So yeah, I mean, I did take a small entry point this morning, small entry position, but if it goes through that red line, I think that'll be more powerful, more conviction there. So we're still trying to reach there. All right, let's keep going here. We have TFPM in the precious metals area, Ogo, Aura Minerals. So the gold area, I think, is still doing well. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, this one breaking out today. Very strong move today. 2.2% on the gold bullion. Silver. This one is also up 2%, making new high. So yeah. So again, gold, silver continue to do very well. Strong uptrend. Here's Ogo, Aura Minerals. This one is starting to looks really sharp now. Like you can see, this 10-day starting to curve a little bit. And yeah, we could potentially go for a climax run here for this stock. It looks really sharp. If I go down here, let's see, we have AEM, HL, CAS in the silver area, SSRM also. So those are doing really well. So go check them out. Let's keep going here on this list. With VSEC, we have Run, AEM, Iron also bouncing. HL, we talked about that. MERM, the health side, I see, yeah, MERM, KNSA doing okay, bouncing new high here, so that looks good. Yeah, let's take a look at that one. So this one is making new high this morning. Like it actually broke out on Friday. Today it followed through, very strong action. And let's see here. See what else we missed. We're STT in the financial side, making a move there. Um, CVNA on the retail side, that's the weakest group today. kind of pulling back a little bit. Let me see here. Yeah, this is pulling back, unfortunately. It was trading pretty tight until today, so it broke through the 10-day. Unfortunately, that didn't work. Um, yeah, in general, the market has been pretty strong this last few days, bouncing back. So Santa rally definitely is kind of looking pretty good right now as volume going to start to diminish. So we'll continue to see if this can carry on throughout this next week, and we'll see where it goes. Let's just look at the index one more time to see where it's at right now. And my machine's kind of slow today. I have to reboot. But yeah, QQQ, is still holding up. It's slowly coming back, from the high this morning. So we hope this is not a negative reversal. We want to see it close strong, and that would be good. But again, we're seeing lots of even tech stocks have reversed a little bit. But again, we're still okay, right? Like we had this bounce here, so and then SPY is probably a lot, and Russell seems to be leading today. So those are the indexes, and yeah, if you haven't watched my weekend videos, I have done the growth stock list, so there's lots of stocks to kind of see what's moving, and yeah, with this move right here, looks pretty good on SPY and again Dow and Russell. Thank you for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.